Hi everyone, today we are looking at P6 2021 Math SA2 ROSYTH, and we are looking at question number 22. Okay, as you can see over here, a combination log has a 3-digit code 1, 2, 3, which has the same digits, which means to say if A is 1, the next A has to be 1. Okay, so this 3-digit has to be the same and is represented by AAA. Okay, after that second sentence, they say that AAA has how many factors? 4 factors. Now, what is the meaning of 4 factors? Okay, so let me just give you a very simple example. Okay, let's say if AAA is 2, 2, 2, then AAA will have how many factors? 1 times 2, 2, 2. Of course, you can press your calculator. 2, 2, 2 divided by 2. We will go with 2 times 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2 divided by 3. 2, 2, 2 divided by 4. 2, 2, 2 divided by 5. 2, 2, 2 divided by 6. 6 times 37. Now, looking at this, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors in total. Therefore, 222 cannot be the answer. All right, so 222, it is divisible by 6, right? It is not divisible by 3 to 5. It is also not divisible by 7. It is also not divisible by 8. Also not divisible by 9. So what I want to do is I want to start from 1, 1, 1. Okay, so as you can see over here, the reason why I'm using 2, 2, 2 is simply to show you the meaning of the 4 factors. Let's talk about 1, 1, 1. Okay, if it's 1, 1, 1, it'll be 1 times 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1 divided by 2, not divisible, because when you press your calculator or when you do the normal calculation, you realize that 1, 1, 1 divided by 2, you'll get a remainder. 1, 1, 1 divided by 3, oh, it's possible. Okay, so right now we have 4 factors already in total, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, and 37. These are 4 factors. Now, let's see whether if it's divisible by 4, nope. Divisible by 5, nope. Divisible by 6, nope. Divisible by 7, nope. Divisible by 8, nope. Divisible by 9? Nope as well. So therefore, this value, or in fact, this number AAA has to be 1, 1, 1. Now wait, but they are asking us for just the value of A. So we can just write 1. Okay, so the combination log has a 3-digit code. The 3-digit code is 1, 1, 1. With that, I've come to the end of my question.